Okay, good morning grade 9. So this is part 1 of your quiz number 2. Okay, this is not quiz number 2 but it is similar to your quiz number 2 for you to know how to do it. So I will just give you examples for each. Okay, so number 1, give the real solution to each equation. Write NRS for equations with no real solution. Okay, so square root of x equal to 14. So how will you solve for x here? You square both sides of the equation. So you square the square root of x, you square 14. So square root of x squared is equal to x. So what is 14 times 14? So 14 times 14 is equal to 16, carry 1, 4 plus 4 equal to 8 plus 1, 9. 1 times 1, 1. So therefore the answer is 196. Next, square root of x equal to 25. So again, square both sides of the equation. Square root of x, that's equal to x. So 25 times 25 is equal to 25. 25. So 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So just add here 1. That's why this is 2 times 3 equal to 6. 625. Next, square root of x equal to negative 16. So if we square both sides of the equation, square root of x, square negative 16. So x equal to negative 16 times negative 16 is equal to 6, carry 3. 6 plus 6 equal to 12 plus 3, 5. Okay, carry 1. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. So 256. Okay, so the value of x is 256. But as you notice, if you get the square root of 256, the result is positive 16, not equal to negative 16. So your answer here is NRS. Next, number 3. Square root of x equal to minus 7 equal to 12. So square root of x is equal to 12 plus 7 equal to 19. So square both sides of the equation. So x is equal to 19 times 19. 19 times 19. 81, carry 8. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 8 equal to 18 plus 8 equal to 26, carry 2. 1 times 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So 361. 361. Okay, so for number 5, square root of x, if you square that is equal to x. So if you square 8, 64, square 7, 49. So the answer is 64 over 49. Next, number 6. So if you square or transpose If you transpose 9, that becomes square root of x is equal to negative 9. So if you square both side of the equation, that is x is equal to 81. But as you notice, if you replace x to 81, that is square root of 81 equal to 9. So 9 plus 9 equal to 18, not equal to 0. So therefore, this is 81 is not the solution. So that is no real solution. Okay, so next is solve each equation. Show your solution. So squaring both sides of the equation to remove the radical. So square this radical, square the other side. So x minus 4 is equal to 12 times 12 is 144. Okay, so x is equal to 144 plus 4, 148. Next, number 3. Square root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 10. So if you square both sides of the equation, you will just remove the radical. So the answer is just the index, radical. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 100. So 2x is equal to 103. So what is x? Dividing both sides of the equation by 2. X is equal to 103 over 2. So the value of x is 103 over 2. Okay, for number 2, square root of x minus 2, you transpose first negative 8 to the other side of the equation. So the resulting equation now is x square root of x minus 2 is equal to 8. Squaring both sides of the equation, since the index is 2, to remove the radical. So x minus 2 is equal to 8 squared. That is now equal to 64. So if you transpose negative 2 to the other side, that becomes positive 2. So 64 plus 2 equal to 66. So 66 minus 2 is equal to 64. Square root of 64 is equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, this is a solution to the equation. Next is 8 minus square root of x minus 4 equal to 0. So 8 is equal to, so you transpose the radical expression to the other side. That becomes positive square root of x minus 4. So if we square both sides of the equation, so the result becomes 64 is equal to x minus 4. So x is equal to 64 plus 4, 68. So x is equal to 68. So replacing x to the original equation by 68. So 68 minus 4 is 64. Square root of 64 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, this is already our final answer. X equal to 68. Next is square root of a number is 18. Find the number. So square root of a number x is equal to 18. So squaring both sides of the equation will remove the radical since the index is 2. So x is equal to 18 times 18. 18 times 18. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. Carry 6. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 6, 22. Carry 2. 1 times 1, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The answer is 324. 324. The cube root of a number is negative 7. Cube root of a number is negative 7. What is the number? So if you take the cube both sides of the equation, since the index is 3, you just simply remove the radical. So the answer is the radicand, which is equal to x. Negative 7 times negative 7 is 49 times 7, 343. So negative 343. So the answer is negative 343. Okay, so next is the legs of a right triangle are 8 and 6. Find its hypotenuse. So let's see, the legs are the right triangle are 8 and 6. So find the hypotenuse C. So your C is equal to square root of the sum of the square of the sum of the square of the two legs. 6 squared plus 8 squared. Square root of 36 plus 64 equal to square root of 100. So equal to 10. Our answer is 10. Next is twice the square root of a number is 26. So twice the square root of a number x is 26. What is the number? So divide both sides of the equation by 2. So square root of x equal to 13. That is the resulting equation. So to remove the radical symbol, you square both sides of the equation since the index is 2. Squaring square root of x, the result is the radicand x equal to 13 times 13 is equal to 13 times 13, 9, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 1 times 1, 1, so 169, 169. Okay, find the side of the square that has an area 225 centimeter. So area is equal to s squared. So the area is equal to 25 centimeter squared. Cm squared is equal to s squared. So if you get the square root both sides of the equation, then the square root of 225 is equal to 15. Square root of centimeter squared is centimeter, equal to square root of x is equal to square root of s squared is equal to s. So therefore the side is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so that is the first part of your long quiz number 2. Okay, good luck. Grade 9. Okay, so study hard. Bye.